guys, welcome back to another booster box opening. Today it's going to be our Legendary Treasures booster box. I got it for Christmas today, and it's Christmas Day, but I won't be posting it on Christmas Day, probably the day after it. But yeah, so oh, Pikachu, okay. I accidentally forgot to get the time right, so I need to review of what we pulled so far. So Serperior, Riolu, Duosion, Magikarp, Pinsir, Woobat, Meloetta EX Full Art, Xatu, Serperior, Tangrowth, Zapdos, Minccino, Croagunk, Tepig, Kirlia, Palpitoad, Gardevoir, Minun, Trubbish, Tunpole, Zorua, Dino, Ninetales, Crustle, Ivy, Double Colors Energy, Sewaddle, Zorua, Charmeleon, and Dwebble. Okay guys, so let's go. I'm sorry that I forgot the timing was bad. So let's get into a Mewtwo pack. And let's put this down. 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't know how the card trick. Okay, so we start off with Vulpix, Tepig, Tangela, Gothita, Double Colorless Energy, Duosion, a Meloetta EX. Wow, I found the Full Art and the Meloetta regular. Now, Ralt, Virizion Reverse Holo, and a Miss Maggie is rare. So, that's it for part 1. I'm sorry that I accidentally mixed it. Let me review my pulls that I had that are awesome. Let me review my awesome pulls. So, we started off with a Meloetta EX Full Art, and we got a Meloetta EX. So, I'll open up the next 4 booster packs in the next part. And thank you for watching. Bye.